If you can't analyze data properly, you can't make good decisions. Now you can reverse engineer what works. You can see what price points dominate. Better data leads to better decisions, and better decisions build better businesses. If you're not analyzing your competitors like this, you're already behind. And I don't mean checking their Instagram or looking at their website once. I mean knowing their pricing, understanding their positioning, seeing exactly what's working for them. All of these things are so important, and using that data to make better decisions. I've always said this, you need to make data-driven decisions if you're serious about scaling. Of course, this is not business or personal advice, but that is typically the way the successful businesses go about scaling. Because here's the truth, most businesses don't fail because of bad products. They fail because they're guessing pricing, guessing offers, guessing what customers want. And guessing is expensive when you truly think about it. You can have the best product in the world, but if it's priced too expensively, no one's going to buy it. This is a clear example of the importance of understanding your data. Anyways, quick disclaimer before we go any further. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. It's not business or finance advice, remember that. I've also teamed up with Thunderbit for this video to demonstrate how I use AI tools like this to analyze competitors more efficiently. With that said, let's get into it. Let me show you how most people do competitor research. They open 10 tabs, copy and paste product info, scroll endlessly, take messy notes. It takes hours, if not days. And even then, it's incomplete. You miss patterns, you miss insights, you miss opportunities. Now imagine doing that across 100 products. It's ludicrous. Multiple competitors, different regions, it's not scalable, which is the biggest problem here. Because if you can't analyze data properly, you can't make good decisions. So I started looking for a better way, something that actually made sense, something that removed manual work, that also gives structural data and actually helps me think better. That's when I came across Thunderbit. And here's why I think it's such a good tool. Let me show you this in real time. I'm going to use an e-commerce example. Let's say I want to analyze competitors on Amazon. Now watch this. Click 1. Thunderbit scans the page and identifies the data structure. Click 2. It extracts everything, and that's it. No coding, no setup, just literally 2 clicks. Now look at this. Product titles, prices, ratings, reviews, all structured instantly. This is what matters when you're thinking about making good decisions, because now you're not guessing anymore, which is the most important thing. You actually know where you're going. Now what Thunderbit is doing here is identifying patterns, structuring the data, cleaning it automatically. So instead of raw information, you get usable data. Now this is where it gets powerful from my perspective. Let's say I want deeper insights. Instead of just the main page, I can go into each product page automatically. Thunderbit does the sub-page scraping with zero setup. So now I'm pulling full descriptions, detailed specs, customer insights at scale. Here's another feature that I truly love. I can literally tell it extracting pricing, reviews and key product features. No technical setup, just natural language. And once it's done, I can export everything directly to Google Sheets, Notion, Airtable. Now I've got a full competitor database when you truly think about it. Pretty amazing, huh? With just a few clicks. Long gone from my perspective are those manual long days of doing this. That doesn't even get you the answers you truly need. Now here's where most people miss the point I'm talking about. This isn't about scraping data, it's about what you do with it. Because now you can reverse engineer what works. You can see what price points dominate, what products performs best, what messaging converts. Instead of guessing, you're operating from evidence. Let's say all top products are priced between 30 to 50 pounds. They use similar positioning. They highlight specific benefits. That's not random anymore. That's pattern recognition, and that's where the advantage comes from. Honestly speaking, this is how serious operators think. They don't guess, they observe patterns, they analyze, they execute based on evidence, and tools like this just accelerate that process. Have you always wondered why sometimes these huge companies buy specific companies? It's because of these things I'm talking about. Pattern recognition. This is especially powerful if you are running an e-commerce brand, doing competitor analysis, looking for product opportunities, building sales pipeline, or trying to scale efficiently, because data is leverage. I've said it so many times in my other videos. Without data in 2026 in particular, you're going to struggle to scale a business. Let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Start building your own AI tools today at thunderbit.com. Listen, stop guessing, start analyzing, because better data leads to better decisions, and better decisions build better businesses. With that said, it's time for me to round up this video. I do hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I'll see you on the next video, where we're of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship.